Still making flowcharts manually? What if I told you that ChatGPT can create them for you in just seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional flowcharts and diagrams using ChatGPT, even if you have zero design skills. First, simply open ChatGPT and describe the process you want to turn into a flowchart, for example, an email handling system. ChatGPT will instantly break it down into clear, logical steps. Next, you can ask it to convert those steps into a proper flowchart format with decision points, making your process more structured and easy to understand. Now here comes the powerful part. Ask ChatGPT to generate mermaid code, which allows you to automatically create diagrams without designing anything manually. Once you have the code, just paste it into tools like Draw.io, Flowchart, or Notion, and your professional flowchart will be ready in seconds. This method is perfect for students, developers, and content creators who want to save time and simplify complex ideas. So next time you need a flowchart, don't waste time doing it manually, just use ChatGPT and let AI do the work for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and follow for more amazing AI hacks.